So in this question, they're asking me to find x and bc if b is between a and c, and then these following segments equal those algebraic expressions. So the first thing that I like to do here is to draw a picture. This picture doesn't have to be drawn to scale, but it can really help me to visualize what's going on here. So here's my segment. It says b is between a and c. So I got that here. And then we can say that the whole segment, which is AC, is 4x minus 12. So this whole segment, AC, is 4x minus 12. So from A to C, that distance there is 4x minus 12. The next thing that it tells us is that this segment here, AB, is equal to x. So this segment up here, AB, is equal to x. And then the last part tells us that this segment, BC, is equal to 2x plus 3. So what we have here is we have what's called a segment addition. This segment plus this segment equals the length of the whole segment between A and C. So from there, we're going to use some algebra. So we know that segment AB, which is x, plus segment BC, which is 2x plus 3, is equal to what segment AC is, which is in this case is 4x minus 12. So now I've just got an algebraic equation to solve. So I'm going to start off by simplifying the left side. I'm going to add x and 2x, which makes 3x. And the left side simplifies down to be 3x plus 3. On the right side, I have nothing to do, nothing to combine. It's just 4x minus 12. Now to solve this, the thing I should do next is subtract 3x from both sides. That's going to cancel this out and leave me with just x. And then over here, I'm going to add this 12 over, which leaves me on this side with 15. So the first thing they asked us to do is to find x, and we just did that. X is equal to 15. The second thing we have to do is find out what BC equals. So to do that, I'm going to take this expression that we have here for BC, and I'm going to plug in 15 in place of x. So when I plug in 15 here, I get that BC equals 30 plus 3, which we can figure out then is 33. Now here's a way you can check your work. Once you figure out what x is and you plug it in, you can make sure that these segments all add up to each other. So we know that segment AB is just x, so that segment would be equal to 15. And we just found out over here that segment BC is equal to 33, so the length of this whole segment should be 48. So what I'm going to do to verify that I got this correct is I'm going to take 4x minus 12, and I'm going to substitute 15 in for x once again. When I do that, I get 4 times 15 minus 12, and when I simplify, I get 60 minus 12, which equals 48. So when I plug my value for x in here, and when I plug my value for x in here, both calculations give me 48, which means that this is the correct answer.